In this video, I'm going to talk about our LC bulkhead couplers and what's different than the standard ones that you might buy from any of your fiber optic houses. The difference is if you look in the IEC standard, our LC connectors that are designed for POF do not have a sleeve. So the ones that you buy are a 1.250 diameter ferrule. We have a 1 millimeter fiber with no ferrule. So all of our bulkhead couplers, we have three styles. We have a 1-2 and the third one is an IP67. All of these have a locating sleeve for the 1 millimeter. And I thought this was important enough to make a video about because we're the only ones in the world that manufacture these, so they work with the POF style ferrules. And as you can see by this cutaway one, the way that it snaps in, it has the 1 millimeter fiber and it's locating it in this sleeve in between the two. So when you see just the fiber sticking out and you snap it into the back of this IP67 coupler, and on this one the same thing, you can see the fiber sticking out away from the connector. Once you snap this into housing, it's aligning those two bare fibers in the proper location, but it's also not letting them touch each other. So that way they do that for vibration. And this being an IP67, it's sealing around the O-ring seal. It's sealing around this coupler. So this would mount in like a electrical panel or a NEMA box, which has a seal, and it allows you to mount this on a D-hole. Put the coupler on this side of it is in the box, it's clean. On this side, it is ready for wash down. So these two have different locating features. This is a smaller one with a metal locating clip. So a little larger square unit with snap downs, all plastic models. So they all have a metal sleeve inside that locates that fiber. But that's the difference really between the FiberFin's bulkhead couplers and the standard one off the shelf. If you have any questions, comments, or if you want some kind of special coupler, just email us or give us a call.